Okay. This is our first line of installation product, passive speakers for restaurant, bar, Dolby surround system. We start from the bigger one, 350 watts, 10-inch speaker with a horn, good for very big rooms and solution. Going down in terms of size, we have got the 208-inch speaker, arrived to the 100-inch 6-inch speaker. As you can see, we have two different paintings from black and white for different requests of the customer. And here we've got the small systems. The both have a 4-inch, one is just a little bigger to have more volume for, especially for the voice. You can have, for example, Dolby surround system, like we show here in the show. With for front and rear speaker we use the 4-inch called Room 4, and the central where we need more warming for voice we can use the Room 4 size up. That is even a 4-inch speaker, but is just a little bigger respect to the other. And this is our second year here in Amsterdam for the ISE show, and the second year that we are in the installation market.